2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a candy test. So let's do this. So I'm going to put my blindfold on.
And today we are trying the Trolli Sour Gummy Crawler.
And then he's going to taste it after I do.
Alright, you got your blindfold on?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's gonna be sour.
There's on my mouth though.
It's sour and then it's gonna be crunchy, and then when we get to the outside it'll be like a gummy worm, I think.
It's not sour right now. Should I eat it?
Oh, don't look. Yep, put it all in your mouth. What is it?
Doesn't taste like anything.
Put it in your mouth. Can you bite it?
No.
Okay, put it back in your mouth. Suck on it to get the sour part of it. You can't be looking. Let me see your face. Put your arm down. Suck on it. Is it getting sour yet?
Mm-mm.
What?
It's getting disgusting.
Well, keep trying it. That's when it gets good. Because in a little bit, you should be able to bite through it.
Tastes like a mint. You try it. Doesn't taste that good.
Mmm.
Did you get the good
It's
part?
starting to get sour.
How sour?
That do start to taste like a lemon head. You can get the sugar off it. Try it. Can you taste that sugar on there?
Kinda.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think? Can you taste sugar?
No.
A little bit? No?
Yeah, just a little.
Not little?
Yeah, just a little.
You gotta suck on it a while to get to the center of it. And then it'd be gummy. Is that it?
Yeah. Now I want you to give me another really sour candy. Remember those candies that